Why are API gateways essential for complex backend APIs? Have you ever wondered how complex backend systems manage to communicate so smoothly? Today, we will discuss the role of API gateways in making that happen. API gateways are vital for complex backend application programming interfaces because they act as a central hub for communication between clients and various backend services. As systems grow larger, this centralization becomes even more important. An API gateway serves as a single entry point for all client requests. Instead of clients reaching out to multiple backend services directly, they send their requests to the gateway. The gateway then routes these requests to the correct service based on the request path or headers. This setup simplifies client-side integration by providing a unified interface while hiding the complexity of numerous backend endpoints. From a security perspective, API gateways handle authentication and authorization in one place. They validate tokens, such as JSON Web Tokens or OAuth tokens, and enforce access control policies before any requests reach backend services. This approach reduces duplicated code across services and makes security management more consistent and easier to maintain. Traffic management is another essential function of API gateways. They implement rate limiting and throttling to control how many requests a client can make within a specific time frame. This protects backend services from being overwhelmed or subjected to denial of service attacks. Throttling helps smooth out traffic spikes by slowing down request processing when certain thresholds are met, ensuring system stability and fair resource usage. Performance is also improved through features like response caching at the gateway. This means that repeated requests can be served quickly, reducing the load on backend services. Additionally, API gateways can perform load balancing by distributing incoming requests among multiple service instances, which enhances scalability and availability. Monitoring and analytics are key advantages of using API gateways. They collect metrics such as request counts, response times, and error rates, giving developers real-time visibility into API performance. This data is invaluable for troubleshooting, optimizing, and making informed scaling decisions. API gateways also support protocol translation, allowing clients and backend services to communicate even if they use different protocols or data formats. This flexibility simplifies backend development by decoupling client requirements from backend implementations. For backend developers focused on APIs, databases, and server-side logic, API gateways reduce complexity by centralizing common concerns like security and traffic management. This allows backend services to focus on core business logic without repeatedly implementing these features. It also makes it easier to evolve the backend architecture, add new services, and maintain backward compatibility through API versioning managed at the gateway. In practical terms, using an API gateway means clients have a single, consistent point of access, simplifying front-end development. Backend services are better protected and can scale more reliably. Developers gain improved control and insight into API usage. System performance is optimized through caching and load balancing, and security policies are uniformly enforced. Overall, API gateways are fundamental for managing the complexity of modern backend APIs. They handle many operational tasks centrally, making backend development more accessible and straightforward.